Hey family, this is Essie coming to you with another DIY video. This video is on how to make sofrito. I love sofrito. Sofrito is a combination of garlic, green peppers, red peppers, hot peppers if you like, and also onions. But I put a little twist on mine. I recently started gardening, so I started with my herbs. And my herbs consisted of parsley, thyme, rosemary, spicy oregano, cilantro. Oh yes, don't forget the cilantro. Cilantro has to be in the sofrito. And I feel like I'm missing Italian parsley. So what I did, my twist that I did for my sofrito was to put some sweet basil and spicy oregano. And I'll tell you, that's some of the best sofrito. I already have like 3 jars already in my refrigerator. Every time I harvest my herbs and my peppers, I always make a jar of sofrito. So what I have here today is some garlic. I don't have my sweet basil. I actually just started. I just planted some more sweet basil and some more Italian parsley and rosemary. So what I have today is my spicy oregano, my garlic, peppers, my green peppers, my red peppers, and my onions. So what you do, it's just a simple process. You just, load it up, load your processor up. This is my processor here, which is very noisy. So I usually break down my onions first, and then as it continues to break down, I just add more and more of the herbs in there. And then once I'm finished, I just actually put it in a jar. Any old jar will do. I like to say like my mayonnaise jars and relish jars like that. And I just load it up and put it in the refrigerator. And whenever I make my res con dules, my Spanish rice and beans, I always put my sofrito in that. And I also like to marinate my meats with them as well. So let me get started on this, and I'll bring you guys with an update on how it looks finished. But I don't want to run this because it is super loud, so I don't want to annoy you guys with the loudness of this processor. So what I'll do is mix up the onion, show you what that looks like. I'm sure everybody knows what that looks like. And then I'll add my oregano and my garlic and then my peppers. So y'all just chill out and wait for the finished product. Okay, you guys, you can see that I pureed my onions. So what I'm going to do is just add my spicy oregano. And then lots of garlic that I love. And also I gotta keep you guys up to date with how my garlic is doing outside that I planted probably a week ago. It's already sprouting. I'm gonna show you a little trick on how to get your garlic to sprout as well. Y'all need to buy y'all a bag of garlic and maybe plant like 3 whole garlics and create another bag of garlics. Yeah, pretty cool. So I'm just gonna add a few of my peppers because I have a lot. And I'm gonna process this down like so. And again, I'm gonna bring y'all back with a finished puree of this together. Again, this is very noisy, so I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back again. As you can see, it's starting to fill up. I'm at the end of my peppers, so it's smelling delicious. And yeah, so I'll just keep this process going until my basket is empty of all its peppers. And I might have an overflow, so I might not even be able to put grind up all these peppers within this container. So let's see how much I'm able to get in here. I might be able to do it. Let's just see. Again, I'll come back to you guys. Just give me about 2 minutes. So I'm back, you guys. As you can see, I have a full container of fresh sofrito. Look at there. My son said he loves it. It reminds him of pesto, so he actually likes to take a scoop of this after the food is done and dress up his food with it. He just loves it. But it smells so good. And it's straight out of my garden. So yeah, you guys try this recipe. I'm not that big on measurements. I'm more of a freestyler in the kitchen. I know some people are very technical when it comes to cooking in the kitchen and things of that nature. They have to be so precise. I'm not a precise person when it comes to that. I'm very freestyle in pretty much a lot of things that I do. to get your jars and fill your jars up, and then put it in your refrigerator. And it's just easy peasy. All right, you guys stay tuned to my next video. Peace, love, and light.